Let me show you my hostel in Namba area. I stayed here in Acro Capsule Hostel, 180 meters from Dotonbori, near the train stations, and everything is accessible. So this is the lobby of 4th floor where I was assigned. Very clean, peaceful, and no foul smell. There is the elevator over there, and here you can see the locker for valued belongings like wallet. There's trash can and dining and lounging area. Now let's get to the room after the lounging area. Nandito yung mga lockers where you can hang your clothes and put your shoes, and another storage space for the luggages, and ang luwag kaya di kayo mag-aagawan sa space. Keycard lang din ang ginagamit to enter and access everything, pati yung locker. Kaya wag niyong iwawala yung keycard na yan. There is the door going to the lounging area, and there's a large cabinet or a rack for all the luggages ng mga guests nila. Ito naman yung dresser and a door going to the sleeping area. Dito sa sleeping area, may music pampatulog that you can hear sa hallway. Super dami ng sleeping pods, but you won't feel it kasi ang luwag ng space. I'm on a sleeping pod 437 sa baba at nakapwesto siya sa gitna. So perfect ito para di masyadong malayo sa restroom and lockers. You need to pull the blinds to enter, and good thing meron ding switch ng light sa labas ng sleeping pod. Here's the look of inside. Merong smoke detector, hangiran ng mga towels or damit, controls for the main light and lamp, fan, alarm clock, and charging outlets. But I suggest you bring your own adapters or extension cords just in case na marami kang gadgets kasi dadalawa lang yung outlet for charging. Everything is working naman, even the fan. Tinest ko nga lahat, pati yung lights, even the lamps, everything, para just in case na i-check nila kung may nasira. I'm sure na hindi ko nasira yon. Just in case you will ask, the comforter is thick, the bed is comfortable, manipis nga lang yung pillow. Dito sa area na to, marami namang cubicles to take a shower, spacious enough to take a bath and change your clothes. Don't worry, madaling mag-dry yung mga floor ng shower room nila. I think ibang technology yung gamit nila for this, kaya ang bilis mag-dry. There are 8 sinks or vanity area where you can do your thing. You're also given a mesh bag na may towels that you can return upon checkout. Sa toilet naman, Japanese toilet seat, and ang daming toilet. So di rin kayo mag-aagawan. So far, ito yung pinaka-spacious and okay yung floor layout ng hostel.